Hello everyone, I'm Ken from INEO company. Today I'm going to introduce our new series of Combi Oven. Finally, I'm going to introduce you the last function, which is bakery from top to the bottom. Temperature setting first. Our temperature range is 30 to 290. Sorry, to 290. And time setting 8 minutes. Fan speed setting from 50 to 110. Open the flap, closing the flap. Then press the stop button. Thanks for watching our video about combi ovens from INEO company. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.